Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Namaste girl. If you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe, like, comment, and turn on that notification whenever I drop a new video. So if you guys don't know already, I did have some videos up before, but I deleted them because I was being real insecure about my videos because I was like, they're not very good, and you know, I was pretty much comparing myself to other people, and that's where I messed up. Yes, I messed up. And I was just like, you know what, I'm gonna start over. I'm gonna start from scratch, and I'm gonna do my best to edit it and get some good thumbnails, because those thumbnails is really what you need. But my main goal on here is to give advice. That's me. That's always been me. I've always been a helper, help people, give people advice. So I was like, why don't I just turn that into a channel? Okay, like, it's called Take My Own Advice because I'm not using it. I don't use my own advice half of the time. So most of the time I'm giving advice to my friends or something like that, and if I can help somebody, and then that makes me feel good. So it's not only for the views or the likes or the comments or the subscribers or whatever. Those are like the perks that come with it, but my main goal is to help and give advice and make people of my generation and even older or younger generation feel good about themselves, and to go on that self-love journey. That is, mental health is I am a strong believer, and mental health is very important. When you're mentally in line, you're spiritually in line, you're physically in line, emotionally in tune with your body. That's my goal. That's my sole purpose on here. But occasionally I am gonna do, you know, a couple hair tutorials because, you know, I'm a curly girl, okay? You see these edges, you know, yes girl, okay. But sorry if I'm squinting, I got this ring light, okay? So I'm using natural light and the ring light because I'm dark skinned, okay? I'm dark skinned. I need all the light I can get. So we gotta find time to do this, you know? But anyways, before I get off topic, so mainly I've been staying on Instagram, you know, just taking pictures and stuff like that, trying to get stuff going, you know, build something up, But, you know, I have school, and I just kept making up excuses like, oh, I'm gonna do this tomorrow, I'm gonna do a video tomorrow, I'm gonna do a video. And I'm the type of person, I can't think about it. I have to get up and do it. When I have just the instant thought, I have to get up and do it, because if I don't get up and do it, I'm gonna talk myself out of it. That is my biggest thing, and that's the biggest thing for a lot of people. So I just want to do a quick little intro, you know, just to get it started, get it popping, a little something. But yeah, y'all, my hair dry. I had my hair in full braids for 4 days. It is dry. And I'm on this grow my hair out journey because my hair is shedding. I don't know if it's stress or I don't know what it is. Please comment and help a sister out, because my hair is coming out. My hair never used to come out like this. Like, I used to have flourishing hair. Flourishing, girl, flourishing. But now my hair is coming out. So I'm on that journey, and I'm on this little weight loss journey that I'm doing, trying to get back into eating healthy and stuff like that. So on my channel, I do want to do advice, you know, a couple hair tutorials. I'm not really a makeup person, don't get me wrong. I wear makeup, okay? I do, because it makes me feel good. That's why I wear makeup. But I'm not gonna show nobody how to put on makeup, because I don't need nobody commenting and saying, you doing something, it works for me, girl, okay? Girl, it works for me. What works for me works for me. But that's the same thing about me giving advice. take my advice and put it in your own perspective. I don't want people to be like, this is what she said, this is how it has to go. No, this life is trial and error. And I'm in the middle of that. I'm 24. Every day is trial and error for me. Okay? Ain't nobody else no different. But that's my main goal. So please stay tuned, like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure you guys subscribe, share it, tweet it, Pinterest it, Instagram it, Facebook it, Snapchat it, something. Help us to stay out. Cause I'm really trying to spread self-love. That is really what I'm trying to do. I want this generation to not feel like they're the only ones having anxiety. Anxiety is a real thing, okay? I don't care what nobody says. Anxiety and depression is very real. Check on your friends. But also, I'm in that stage and transition of my life, and I'm stepping back and I'm looking at the things that I want in my life, the woman I want to become, not what society expects me to be. That's not, or what your family expects you to be. You know, actually step back and figure out what you want in life. What's best for you, what's best for you and yourself or your child or something like that. So hopefully I can reach as many people as I can. I'm young, but I know some stuff. So if you guys like this video, make sure you again like, comment, and subscribe, and make sure you turn on that notification, cause I'm gonna do a video tomorrow. No promises though. All right, see you guys. Bye.